Ben Yankoi.
Hello everyone, I am Benita Bimabwati from Apostolic Golden Jubilee. Today, I'm coming to recite a poem. My poem is entitled Ghana's Golden Glow. Ghana's gold and warmth around. In Accra Street, cultures found. From Volta Hills to coastal shore, a nation rich forevermore.
Opemsuo.
Cloth waves vibrant tales. Drums beat loud. Traditions prevail. Ghana's smile. Treasure rare. A West African game beyond compare. Thank you.
That's papa. I'm your man. Why are Ghana man? Need you already doing none of the doing number free. A year, you know. Came so me. Na iwie say ye fe. Na bitimi aboa brabo. Gagana came chiri da. It's a bad dear body. Shrai na fiso. Why, Ladina, you're ready. Na any union Emrana Omeyedi or say, Muyanuna Yenshe.
Gentlemen, today I stand before you to argue that it is right to take advice from your peers. Motion. It is right to take advice from your peers. I argue for. Peers can offer unique viewpoints and experience, broaden your understanding. Peers may have similar challenges and experience, making their advice more relatable. Taking advice from your peers fosters teamwork and open communication. Peer support and guidance can boost self-confidence. A group project in school requires diverse ideas and perspectives. By taking advice from peers, you can gather different ideas and approaches, leading to more innovative and successful projects. A student struggling with a math concept finds it easy to understand when explained by a peer who has recently grasped the concept. A young athlete improves their game by taking advice from a teammate who has experienced the playing same position. I remember working on a group project where one of my peers suggested a unique approach to presenting our idea. Initially, I was hesitant, but their perspective ended making our project stand out, and we received great feedback. This experience taught me the value of considering others' ideas and approaches. While peers may lack expertise, they can still offer valuable insight, encourage critical thinking and fact-checking to mitigate biased opinions and misinformation. I understand that some may argue that taking advice from peers can lead to misinformation. However, I believe that with critical thinking and fact-checking, we can mitigate this risk. Some may argue that peers may lack expertise, but I believe that peers can have unique experience and insight that are invaluable in certain situations. I'm not saying we shouldn't take advice from your parent, but sometimes we should listen to our peers, not more than our parent. Peers can offer diverse perspectives which can be just as valuable as experts in certain content. Peers can be valuable resources, especially in areas where they have expertise. It's essential to evaluate advice critically and consider multiple sources. Taking advice from peers doesn't mean blindly following it. Use your judgment. Peers can offer diverse perspectives, relatable insight, and valuable guidance. By considering their advice, we can foster collaboration, build confidence, and achieve better outcomes. Let's embrace the power of peer advice and work together to achieve greatness. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yes, my dear.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm also Vanessa Essien from Apostolic Golden Jubilee, and welcome to Opemsuo Radio 104.7. And I also stand against the motion that we should take advice from our parents more than our peers. The truth is, parents have a deeper understanding of life, relationships, and decision making. They have been through ups and downs of life, and their guidance is rooted in love, care, and a desire for our well-being. Peers, on the other hand, may be influenced by emotions, peer pressure, or a desire to fit in. Our parents are our roots, and their advice is the foundation we stand on. And also, since we were born, our parents know our behaviors and how we are, so we should always take advice from our parents. Our parents are our roots, and their advice is the foundation we stand on. Let's respect and value their guidance. Above all else, think about it. Would you rather take advice from someone who's still figuring out things? Parents have more life experience and wisdom, making their advice more valuable. Thank you.
That's Papa Padem can you amount of money.
Me person make her say, for advice in free and down for honor. And yes, I shani and tear foot and free mammy ho. Now so a tom rebia, see a choir mammy no munchenia. Your choir mammy no munchenia. Near per se, ye tea somewhat wanting. It's on social media, Benty. You who be ye per se ye. Because of curiosity, ye perceive who dear womb potting, tia, say ni say, as seen, tia, quay my minimum, and you'll be an a beca, or go straight to the point. I can't say I'm no actual. In tea, so over school, so I don't football or honor, ma'am, or no son internet sinting, I have by internet in tea.
10 time feeding
in 10 time feeding in tea. When him dear craft from home, no, Mrs. Wacatra, and I be a
so mammy, the own few.
Mammy, the
own crowd, you be see.
Aye, uncanny natural.
I don't find it
be pay, my cabby be archer. In Tiana, me see, in tea, foot on free, I down for.
The patch you.
Pacho, the music making nanny say, it will say a foot or free. Your mammy no near papa mo chain, yen down for fro. If you say, yen down for 4 brain now. Say, oh, can't was some trum. That's open some more foot to her. A boom of honor more foot to a bonning. And now, mammy no so, a monima brow boom, a muffa brow boom in Tombe can be beatro. And now, a more fitty so more way, a moonim how I sit here, and in your ma ye, ain't tea. Ye cut from one. A mobile of my foot to her. Ye betty as ye. Ye bell for ya depony be an
Yati.
Hello and welcome to Opemsuo 104.7. My name is Lordina Osei Kwatma and I'm here with my sister
Nana Majimai.
Today we are come to say some French words and their meaning in English.
Some French words and their meaning in English. Bonjour.
Hello.
Bonsoir.
Good evening.
Bonne nuit.
Good night.
À demain.
See you tomorrow.
Comment tu t'appelles?
When you have to be an ubitro, why? When you have to can 1 young lady.
Bonjour.
Hello.
Bonsoir.
Good evening.
Bonne nuit.
Good night.
À demain.
See you tomorrow.
Comment tu t'appelles?
What's your name?
Je m'appelle.
My name is
Aishante.
Nice to meet you.
Comment ça va?
How are you?
Ça va bien.
I'm good.
D'où viens-tu?
Where are you from?
Je vais de Paris.
I'm from Paris.
Pavillon gris.
Do you speak English?
Je suis fatigué.
I'm tired.
J'ai faim.
I'm thirsty.
J'ai soif.
I'm hungry.
C'est délicieux.
It's delicious.
Pas de problème.
No problem. Thank you.
Merci.
Some mamu.
104.7. My name is Angel Osua. I attend school at Apostolic Golden Jubilee. I'm here to sing. Tenyame shano na washurano obien sumendome onya David washurano Atamfo ya madwen sanka mmeseno. Sera de anyone sontino. Oh yeah, went to me and said no. I did no beya be so. Onyame shira wa watamfo ya kwa. Nyame na maye hio, nyame shira no na ye mesa. Ti se uye shira batia. De watra fa uye me papa. Oh bin to me say dear. A jonya unko point shano de bia. De onyame shira no na fe. Si onyame shira wa, si onyame shira wa wa shira. Si onyame shira wa wa shira. Dear shira no na fa yen shira nkwa. Enunti mi de mi wo Yesu. Enunti wa ye mi shira ba hwe. Watcho se medi nkunim na tafuchi ni motan opepenye yeda. Dia ni adoye nkwa baby ameko bia ne di mechisa. Eno me ne de wasan. Oso ontu mi ni erade shira no ntentam. Nyame na mayehio, nyame shira no na ya mesa. Ti se wu ye shira ba dia. Dia watcho fa we ye me papa. Oh bin to me no me dia. Ejo nyankopon shira no de bio. De onyame shira no na fa ye shira nkwa. Shawatan fune se me baidie me shira mu madwen bone na nyame a oshira obi ntime ndome. Shematan fu se me baidie me shira mu na dwen bone na nyame a oshira obi ntime ndome. Tumi die mi Yesu anunsi wa ye mi shira ba hwe watcho se me di nkunim no tafuchi ni mutan opepenye yeda. Diani adoye nkwa baby ameko bia ne di mechisa eno me ne de wasan oso ontumi ne ehware shara ne nsensam nyame na mayehwio nyame shira no na ya mesa ti se wuye shira badia de wachra fa ho ye me papa
Eda se bonsam efamano ampa na minim so be na kapela na sade usi to na die na jese wo bo eyin wo mu mirikana odede no enyumu a manager ho pa metai yankopon ya madona minya program meta eto.
Welcome to the news at 12. We are live on Opemsuo Radio 104.7. My name is Lodina Prekwamponsa, together with my sisters
Frederica Inshrapia and Larisha Bachidankwenimako.
You can follow us on our social media handles, Facebook and Instagram. And now, the headlines. Minority demands immediate resistance of anti-LGBTQB on other people.
Gender Ministry condemns viral video of children being forced to smoke. Calls for immediate arrest of perpetrators.
South Africa declares gender violence a national disaster after protests.
Lead sponsor of Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill, John Intim Fojo, has expressed frustration over what he described as a deliberate attempt to stall the reintroduction and passage of the anti-LGBTQ bill in the 9th Parliament, raising the issue on the floor of Parliament. He criticized the continual absence of the bill from the other people, despite a clear warning from the Speaker that nothing prevents it from being led. Mr. Speaker, it has been six weeks since the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bills was featured on the other paper. The next day, it was removed, and some dispute reasons were given. A week later, the Speaker of Parliament gave a ruling that nothing prevents the bill from being laid. It is 5 weeks from the time the Speaker gave that ruling. He said that the silence around the bills was unacceptable. Since then, no attempt has been made this House to have the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill to deal with the canker of LGBT devastating our norms and culture. And there seems to be a very, very, very conspicuous silence on this. Mr. Fujo warned that Parliament risks creating a damaging impression that the 9th Parliament have abandoned a bill that enjoyed overwhelming support in the previous Parliament. He demanded that the bill be restored to the other paper next week. If it was oversight or error, it must be added to the other paper so that next week it is laid and presented for first reading because, on record, it has satisfied all the process.
The Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection has condemned a disturbing video circulating on social media in which several men are seen forcing a young boy to smoke a cigarette, describing the act as abusive and a clear violation of the child's rights and dignity. The ministry said exposing a child to harmful substances amounts to child endangerment and is punishable under Ghanaian law. According to the statement, the incident branches the Children's Act 1998 at Act 560, which mandates that every child must be protected from physical, psychological, and moral harm. It also undermines the principles of Ghana's early childhood care and development policy, which seek to ensure that children grow in safe and nurturing environments. The ministry strongly cautions parents, guardians, caregivers, and the public to uphold their collective responsibility to protect children from harm. South Africa has declared violence against women a national disaster following an online campaign culminating in countrywide protests on Friday. Women were urged to withdraw from the economy for one day and lie down for 15 minutes at 12 o'clock local time, 10 o'clock GMT, in honor of the 15 females who were murdered in the country every day. The state has refused to make the classification but changed tack after evaluating the persistent and immediate life safety risks posed on ongoing acts of violence. South Africa experiences some of the world's highest levels of gender-based violence, GBV, with the rate of which women are killed 5 times higher than the global average, according to UN Women.
Ghana could co-host FIFA World Cup with Nigerian and Ivory Coast Sports Minister. Minister of Sport and Recreation, Kofi Adams, believes Ghana is capable of co-hosting the FIFA World Cup with Nigeria and Cote d'Ivoire in the future.
The minister is calling on the government to consider plans to make that idea a possibility following FIFA's recent decision to award host right to multiple countries. USA, Mexico, and Canada are the hosts for next year's Global Showpiece, while Morocco, Spain, and Portugal will co-host the 2030 editions.
Adams believes Ghana could follow similar steps with Nigeria and Cote d'Ivoire. The FIFA are beginning to adopt a number of nations. It so may be, who knows. The next one will be Ghana, Nigeria, and then Cote d'Ivoire coming together to also host the World Cup, and it will be good, he said. Thanks for listening. We'll be back with more updates. I'm loading April Componsa together with my sisters,
Frederica Inshapia and
Larisha Bwachidankwenima.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Intrato abibufo mielu emana wemema ti bacho mwa bonto mu makemame bibitino mama watanika mbamchenko
ya mama kwa baba Opemsuo radio 104.7 ya de abebu edwumade ebrom medine Sandra Amoawisi miniminu ba
kwane do abojo opoku minia kata wanite okata enu hu de
Pacho me hushi.
Esan se mpanyimfo se yen na ya yen so dae.
De wato ya ni mu no hia to pepa.
Ukotu so nua bodwe se esi asensio si de ho.
Se ni frɛ ni chie ne yonku ni frɛ ni kwaya wonyi na hwe amenem.
Onipa fon na kansenfo.
Me Sandra mitie kese magina dom enim dom ako age dom nsem safo ade a kire dom timinsuro dom.
Aho afan tuaka.
Empanimfo se okraman sade okraman tena ne fie ho no sara na agimi foti no magimi sem ho.
Woni mo wa aya hwenna.
So de ngobe so okraman.
Ya okan me disqualify no nunka ho. So one kan yi. Kan kan de wonni asane mu ba kuna de kan no. Wan fa se bia metum an kan yi ni de. Ma disqualified. Inte sensen watro. Sensen yanku yin.
Wode ngobe so okraman krom amanata fred den kafa so menum peleko.
Sama obububa ehun so bedwa enyi.
Obakwasia
And also so disqualified. Yanku yin.
Enya adwa ni joba jonkwa na ejojo wona ya onso na ya abaye nso ya ye won.
Habo asrewa wo hwe de kase ho na wanwene ne bon.
Enya bibi na ye bibi ama bibi aye bibi anka bibi nye bibi ma bibi nye yi.
Obanya asani di kosua na obokasem.
Opani doriwe na nsu asa.
Preko busa ni maame se aden na ahune so sa o ka chen se obenyina beto.
Ade na ato akosi eji ani ama amoni mu ahwaye mobo nka aboa petete se ode nka wafane abro no ma.
So ko to so
See ya to sebi and also disqualified.
Ewiafu focha wadroma ana hia kwanhia.
Aboa na ntwe osu onimseni rade na kwa sreso amana kofuntum asasa nka wandi na chia nkwa sreso adidie.
Yadamasi.
Yes, that's papa mum some no ma disqualify. Yanko.
Yama kwa baba Opemsuo radio 104.7. Ene dwumedie a eye commentary de bremu. Me am di dwumedie bremu from Sandra Amoawisi me ni nua bema.
David say na ite yours.
And a match a ehyeso so eye Madrid ene Barcelona. Players ebobo ne Madrid. Ye keeper ko toa one na dama Madrid. Abrante ye friend Kylian Mbappe or striker Madrid. Afi ye wa Abrante bi ye friend Alexander. Ono so bobo ne Madrid sa. Afi ma Barcelona. Ye wa Abrante bi ye friend Pedri. Obo number 7 Madrid. Obo number 7 ma Barcelona. Ye wa Abrante bi enso ye friend Lewandowski. Ono so bo 8 ma Barcelona. Dwumedie ne hia se na referee na ba abenim. Eye basa enne nkofo medical hia dwumedie na se. Abrante efen Lewandowski abobo na mani nua be ma Pedri obede ni watwe baako na nso da bi Abrante efen Kylian Mbappe che ne se bondo ni mboyie pa waje bono ono so be de ni wahwe ni nua be ma efen Vinicius Junior obede ni wabobo ne tenten Abrante efen Lewandowski nso waje bono obede ni ono so abobo nse se bo na trashe a e trouble against Barcelona. Abrante ye friend Kabaja on ebetu bonesim wato bona ma Abrante ye friend keeper courtois on e da bon ma Madrid Abrante keeper courtois so tuma Abrante ye friend Bellingham number 5 player a obobo ne ma Madrid on so ato bonesim Abrante ye friend Kylian Mbappe number 10 player of Madrid wache bono baako mienu miensa na so Abrante ye friend Lewandowski ka chene se bondo ni mboyie pa nto no so amfa bona anche no oje no hwe ni nua be ma Lamine Yamal so ache ne se bondo nye pesemi nkum nye nto no so je bono hwe ni nua be my friend Pedri bede ni wabobo ne tenten se bon attraction to bon trouble against Barcelona. Se Abrante ye friend Vinicius Junior on a right winger ma Madrid wato bon ne tenten amani nua be my friend Bellingham obede ni wato bon baako na so Abrante ye friend Lewandowski ba beji bon e fili Lamine Abrante ye friend Lewandowski ba beji bon e fili Kylian Mbappe wantumi anya hwe se bon no Abrante ye friend Pedri obede ni wabobo ne tenten se bon attraction se bon ne trouble against Barcelona. Abrante ye friend Kylian Mbappe ono na tubo na sim watobo na ma Abrante friend Bellingham number 5 player a obobo ma Real Madrid watobo ne tenten so ball near throw ball against Madrid. Abrante your friend Lewandowski, wato ball no, or the wato ball ten say ball no at say ball near free kick against Barca. Abrante your friend Pedri, which Abrante be your friend Vinicius Junior. They say ball aye changes, Abrof never can substitution. They say you Vinicius Junior film at the Abrante your friend Chouamani. Aba show bonim. They say Chouamani na be number 8 player ama oba show Vinicius Junior 9. Obe de ni Chouamani sun e Abrante onim boni boye pa. Obe de ni wato ball no o de ama keeper ko to a on e da ball ne ma Madrid. Ono so wato ball no o hwe ni nua be ma Kylian Mbappe. Obe de ni wabobɔ ne ten. They say ball ne corner ball against Barcelona. Abrante FN Lewandowski e chiro mu se ball no nimboye pant omo metika no wato ball no. They say Abrante FN Chouamani on the ball right corner ne ma wo mo. They say Abrante FN Chouamani wabobɔ ne ten so keeper na ball na to atwene. They say ball ne ball na trash. They say ball ne throw ball. Abla Chouamani 2 ball ne sim pepe na my referee or honum catcher say ball no abana wie omo ne second half ne be hyehyɛ sumenu be ma ne be to adwuma die so amaye Opemsuo
referee na bobon ma branch ndi Pedri pass bona mani nwa efen Lamine Yamal so be de no watwe ba ko no so there be a branch ndi ni Trent wa ba je ball no ono so da mani nwa di Vinicius Junior ono so be de ni ono so da ma Kylian Mbappe ono so be de ni da ma Alonso so anya pese min ko so da ma keeper Courtois bobo no tin so da be a branch ndi ni Pedri ba be je ball no or the many new Ransford in Subedi new what you back new mention to the man Lewandowski or Mako menu on the Bonaman Lamine Yamal should have a clear mappy or the man Lewandowski born it here you go
dear Yapon. Everyone enya ayebi obon samom a good Yapon da Yapon